Hello friends, I am Iam. Today I am going to show you how to add CP plus camera model is CPE31A by using Wi-Fi connection. Select camera from this list to add application. Tap on next. Select here Wi-Fi, local Wi-Fi. Okay. Tap on continue with current network. Okay. Then scan barcode from mobile to camera like this. After this I heard a promote. Okay, camera is adding, please wait. Camera added successfully. Tap on done. Camera is buffering, please wait. You see camera on screen. Okay, camera is working fine. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you on next video.